Have you ever actually timed how long it takes to fill up a traditional petrol car? By the time you pull up to the pump, unscrew the cap, stand there holding the nozzle in the freezing cold, and finally walk inside to pay at the till, you are easily looking at 5 to 7 minutes of your life gone. It is a baseline we have all accepted for over a century of motoring. Now, I want you to imagine pulling your vehicle into a designated bay, and in exactly 99 seconds, without you ever leaving the driver's seat, you drive away with a 100% full battery. We are no longer just talking about making electric cars charge a little bit faster. We are talking about an automated physical process that is now significantly faster than pumping liquid petrol. Welcome back to drive&rpm. For years, the electric vehicle industry has been incredibly frustrating for the average driver. We have all lived through the nightmare scenarios, pulling up to a dark motorway service station in the pouring rain, only to find the chargers are broken, occupied, or delivering a fraction of the promised speed. You end up sitting in your car for 45 minutes just to get enough range to reach home. The industry's answer to this anxiety was simply to force more electricity into the cars faster, pushing dangerous 800-volt systems. But today, we are looking at a completely different, deeply human solution from the biggest, most powerful battery manufacturer on the planet, CATL. They have just demonstrated a flawless battery swap on the ArcFox Beta S3 in just 99 seconds. Today, we are going to look right past the corporate stopwatch and do a full forensic teardown of how this actually works in the real world. We will dissect the robotics, the structural engineering, and the thermal physics that allow a machine to rip a heavy high-voltage battery out from under your seat and replace it safely before you have even had time to reply to a text message. To truly understand how this completely changes your daily driving experience, we need to look at the brutal mechanical precision required to execute this 99-second swap safely. Imagine the sheer mass of a long-range EV battery. You are literally sitting on top of hundreds of kilograms of dense lithium and heavy structural metal. In a traditional factory setup, that massive weight is permanently bolted to the chassis with dozens of high-tensile steel bolts. If a trained mechanic wanted to remove it, it would take hours of heavy pneumatic labor on a hydraulic lift. But inside the CATL EvoGo swap station, you simply sit in the driver's seat, perhaps take a sip of your morning coffee, and the station's artificial intelligence takes absolute control. High-definition optical cameras and ultrasonic sensors guide the vehicle over a specific aperture in the floor with sub-millimetre precision. Once you are perfectly aligned, hydraulic locating pins rise and physically lock the chassis into place. The car cannot move a single inch. This is where the engineering gets truly fascinating. Because they cannot use traditional threaded bolts, CATL engineers developed a proprietary, rapid latching bayonet mechanism. You hear the deep hum of hydraulics as a robotic sled rises from beneath you, applying just enough upward pressure to relieve the gravitational load. In a fraction of a second, highly calibrated electric servos rotate the locking collars, completely uncoupling the battery from your vehicle's frame. The depleted pack is smoothly lowered into the underground storage magazine, and a fresh, fully charged one is raised and forcefully locked back into those exact spatial coordinates. It is a heavy industrial ballet happening right under your feet. There are no human hands involved, no heavy tools required, and absolutely no exposed high-voltage cables for you to wrestle with in the wet and cold. It is a completely seamless physical transaction. But speed means absolutely nothing if the engineering doesn't make logical sense for the driver. This brings us to CATL's absolute masterstroke of structural genius, the Choco-SEB, or swappable electric block. In an older, traditional electric vehicle, the battery is one massive, extremely heavy slab. Even if you are just doing a 5-mile commute to the office, you are forced to drag around a massive 80 kilowatt-hour battery, wasting huge amounts of kinetic energy just to move the dead weight of the battery itself. It is terribly inefficient. The Choco-SEB fundamentally rewrites this rule because it is modular. Imagine it like heavy-duty building blocks. If you only commute locally during the week, You can instruct the swap station to only install one single Choco-SEB block in your chassis. Your car becomes dramatically lighter, the suspension behaves better, and your electrical efficiency skyrockets because you are not carrying dead weight. But when the weekend arrives and you need to drive 300 miles across the country, you simply pull into the EvoGo station and request a full long-range pack. In 99 seconds, the robot inserts 3 combined blocks into your chassis, giving you maximum motorway range. Furthermore, the external housing of these Choco-SEB blocks is forged from ultra-high-strength boron steel and aerospace-grade aluminum alloys. When the robot locks that battery into your vehicle, it does not just sit there like a piece of dead cargo. It becomes a primary shear panel, actively contributing to the torsional rigidity of the entire chassis. All the violent twisting forces and kinetic shocks from hitting a massive pothole are absorbed by the battery's outer armor, never reaching the delicate, highly combustible lithium cells inside. You get the ultimate convenience of a 99-second modular pit stop, combined with military-grade structural protection. Let us step back and look at the brutal financial reality of owning an electric vehicle. Because this is where the swap station truly saves you thousands of pounds. Think about your smartphone. We all know that if you constantly leave it on a high-speed fast charger, the battery gets scorching hot, and within a single year, it cannot even hold a charge through the afternoon. Now, multiply that thermal stress by a factor of 1,000. When you plug a 50,000-pound electric car into a 350-kilowatt ultra-fast charger, you are violently forcing energy into the cells. This creates massive internal heat, which physically degrades the cathode and drastically accelerates battery death. And in the winter, the problem flips. A freezing cold battery refuses to fast charge, a phenomenon known as cold gating, leaving you stranded at the pump for hours. The EvoGo swap station completely eliminates this human frustration and financial depreciation. When the station takes your depleted battery and stores it underground, it does not violently fast charge it. Instead, the subterranean magazine acts as a perfectly controlled, liquid-cooled vault, maintaining a perfectly stable temperature of exactly 22 degrees Celsius, regardless of the weather above ground, because the station has hours to recharge the batteries slowly while they wait for the next customer. The chemical charging process happens gently, without generating any destructive heat. When you pull in for a swap, you are essentially receiving a factory-fresh, thermally stable battery every single time. The heavy infrastructure of the station absorbs all the thermal stress, whilst your personal vehicle and your bank account are completely protected from the brutal financial depreciation caused by chemical degradation. When you combine all of these engineering elements together, the highly relatable speed that comfortably beats a traditional petrol pump, the brilliant weight-saving modularity of the Choco-SEB, and the absolute elimination of battery degradation, we are looking at a reality where the traditional charging plug simply feels like archaic technology. But CATL's vision goes even further, benefiting the entire national infrastructure. These swap stations are not just convenience stops for drivers. They are massive, highly intelligent energy storage banks for the national power grid. In the middle of the night, when you are asleep and renewable wind energy is cheap and abundant, the station quietly draws that power to charge its massive inventory of batteries. Then, during the peak afternoon hours when everyone arrives home from work and the electrical grid is struggling under immense strain, the EvoGo station can actually stop drawing power. It can flip the switch and feed electricity back into the grid from the fully charged batteries sitting underground. It actively balances the entire city's power supply. It is a brilliant, highly sustainable macroeconomic loop that legacy automakers simply cannot match. So, I want to turn this over to you, the drive and RPM audience. Imagine you have the choice in the showroom today. Would you prefer to buy a traditional electric vehicle where you are forever tethered to a public charging cable in the rain, constantly worrying about your battery degrading and killing your resale value? Or does the idea of a fully autonomous 99-second robotic swap fundamentally change how you view electric ownership? Is this the absolute, undeniable death of the traditional petrol station? Let me know your deeply technical thoughts and personal opinions in the comments section below. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because our mission here is always to cut through the marketing fluff and uncover the real, raw engineering that affects your daily drive. Keep your notifications securely turned on for more heavy tech teardowns. Drive safe, and I will see you all in the next one.